Data for you pertaining to Florence, and a little bit weaker, but don't be deceived by that. It's a massive storm actually getting bigger, Tim.
Large storm, big wave generator, winds only 120 to the gusts of 150, down from 120, 160 with the last observation.
And you can actually now see the radars picking up some of the outer bands, and you were telling me the buoys the winds are picking up.
Yeah, on the outer fringes here, they're already starting to hit the tropical storm threshold of about 40 miles per hour or higher.
And that should move in during the day Thursday to the coast. Hurricane warnings cover a large area of North Carolina, obviously extending well inland.
Yeah, and again, when you're talking about tropical storm threshold is 39 or higher. Hurricane force, low end, 74 or higher in the red.
Now, the concern is actually shifting a little bit more now into northern South Carolina with the change in the data.
And this is something that we're starting to pick up on this time yesterday afternoon, and this does not bode well for either coastal Carolina or South Carolina.
And this is exactly what Tim and I have been looking at. This is 2 p.m. on Thursday. Now watch what happens. The storm starts to put the brakes on Friday afternoon, very close to Wilmington.
And look at the amount of real estate that the hurricane force winds still cover, not only on Friday afternoon.
Storm surges like that on the north side are going to be absolutely unbelievable.
Big
and here's the problem, Tim.
Yeah, and still a Category 1 pushing into Columbia County, into South Carolina, toward Columbia, South Carolina, Saturday afternoon to Saturday night.
Rainfall is going to be just absolutely unbelievable.
Intense.
Widespread 20 to 30. Tim, this is going to be devastating for everybody.
Floyd back in 1999 was just over 24 inches near Greensboro, North Carolina. This looks like it could well exceed that from Cape Hatteras down to Wilmington.
Right, and we may be conservative here. There could be some places that get over 3 feet of rain.
Easily.
And we may have to boost up these rainfall amounts as well off to the west. Storm surges. This could kill people, just the sheer force of the water coming into these bays and rivers.
There's Cape Hatteras. Wilmington's right off the screen here. If the center of the storm is on the bottom of the TV screen, we're bringing all this water up those rivers, the Neuse and through Pimlico Sound.
It piles it in, and if it hits during the time of high tide,
forget it.
That's when it'll be the most destructive and the highest. And you have the wave action to boot, so it's not a good situation, and it could strengthen a little bit tonight before it makes landfall.
Thankfully, our weather locally, a lot more kinder and gentler for sure.
We'll take some showers coming in on the radar right now. A few showers showing up from Hudson back into Greene County and Schoharie County right now, lifting off to the north and northeast. So a little bit of wet weather coming in tonight. Now there could be some heavier showers to the south, so a flash flood watch has been issued for parts of Ulster, much of Dutchess, Litchfield counties. These areas got hit by very heavy rain this morning, so the ground is saturated. Temperatures basically low 70s right now, moderately humid, and that's not going to change. All right, your forecast for tonight, cloudy. Best chance of some showers from the capital region and to points south as we showed you on radar. 66 for a low tonight. Tomorrow, a mix of clouds and sun, warm and humid. Chance of a shower, especially south of Albany, 82. Friday, partly sunny, warm, humid, 83. Remember, the big block that's protecting us with this better weather for the end of the week is what's forcing Florence to track into the Carolinas. So they're both kind of connected here. All right, the weekend, partly sunny, mid-80s. Monday, partly sunny, 82. Rain on Tuesday. That's from the remnants of flow. Some of that rain could be heavy here, but fast moving, and then partly sunny on Wednesday and a high near 80. All right, let's check in with meteorologist Rob Lindenmuth, who's up in Lake George tonight with the mobile storm tracker. Rob?